If you want to make clock smaller on home screen on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, what you can try to do is you can press and hold your finger on the clock that we have in here, and then once you have this editing section, you can just drop it back. Now in here we should be able to grab by the circle in order to resize it, and unfortunately in this case we can only move it to the left or right side, so we can make it thinner, but height wise unfortunately we cannot really adjust it. So what you can try to do is you can go to widgets. So once you open widgets, then in here we can go through all of these available widgets. Like here we have motor widgets, so you can try to use any of them that we have available in here. However, what you can also do is you can use this clock app in here that is provided by Google, and then here we can find a couple of different clock widgets as well. So let's say we can use this digital, but first before I actually do that, I'm gonna remove this widget in here. Let's just drop it here to get rid of it so that we can have space for our new clock. And I'm gonna use this digital one. I'm just gonna press and hold my finger on it, and I'm gonna drop it in here. We can also choose the clock style. I'm gonna use the transparent one. And there we go. Now we can make it smaller. I can make it wider in here, but of course this can be adjusted quite easily. So now it is actually much smaller in here. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.